now, and he came into the 24th.
देखो आज से कितने करोड़ साल पहले भगवान रामचंद्र आए थे वही अयोध्या में है जहां पर
Imagine how many actually billions of years ago was that Ramachandra came in Ayodhya, in this earth. Billions of years ago.
वास्तविक सत्य है.
This is true.
है वेद पुराण उपनिषद भागवत रामायण
Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, Bhagavad, Ramayana.
मूल रामायण
The main Ramayana is the Valmiki Ramayana, and the evidence is there. The atheists, they don't want to accept it.
बोलो अयोध्यापति भगवान रामचंद्र की
Jai.
है राम की जन्म राम की कथा बस सुनाया.
So Ram Katha is also in the Bhagavatam. So Shukadeva Goswami
महाराज के निकट
told Parikshit Maharaj about the Ramchandra Katha. There were many kings in the Ikshvaku Vamsa, dynasty of Ikshvaku, and Shukadeva told about this too. Parikshit. In Braja they say there is no difference between Ram and Krishna. Only the eyes of Ram are very serious, and the eyes of Krishna are very restless. So Krishna's eyes are very restless. So this is the difference between Ram and Krishna. Bhagavan is only one. But according to different time and circumstance, to perform different leelas, God comes in different form. Like for example, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nishinha, Kalki. Sorry, in the Bhagavatam it's described. Bhagavatam also describes about many avatars. So it's mentioned that Krishna is the source of all incarnations. He is Swayam Bhagavan.
नियमेन तिष्ठन् नानावतारो मकरोत् भुवनेषु किन्तु कृष्ण स्वयं परमभक्त परमपुमानजो गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. वही कृष्ण राम के रूप में प्रकट होते हैं.
Same Krishna appeared as Ram. The same Krishna appeared as Nishinha, Varaha, Kalki, all these forms. In Vaikuntha, Yoda, Dwaraka, Mathura, Goloka, Vrindavan, he manifests in unlimited forms, in unlimited places, unlimited Vaikuntha. He's unlimited, he has no end, he's Ananta, he's God.
और भगवान रामचंद्र ने
And Bhagavan Ramachandra, to follow the orders of his father, he gave up everything. He went to the forest, and he came to the forest with his wife, Sita Devi, and his brother Lakshmana. And he killed how many demons, so many demons like Ravana, etc. Then Ramachandra came back to Ayodhya, so he became the king. But some people, they were accusing the chastity of Sita Devi. And then because of this, Ramchandra, to give happiness to the subjects and to the people, he even sent his pregnant wife, Sita, and sent her to the ashram of Valmiki in the forest. And there Sita Devi, she was taking care of Lava and Kush alone. You have seen this in the Ramayana, I think. Ramananda Sagar performed a beautiful, great achievement that was to make this Ramayana in the series of Ramayana. And this Ramayana Katha was preached to each and every person by the TV series produced by Ramananda Sagar, the director, in the 80s. So this is a great achievement. So then Ramachandra went to the spiritual world, Sanket Dham, and he gave his kingdom to his heirs, his descendants. Anyway, but the Ramcharit Katha is described in the Bhagavatam in a very brief way. Then after that, Shukadeva Goswami told Krishna Lila Katha to Parikshit Maharaj. Then Parikshit asked one thing. Hey Gurudev, hey Brahman, you have told about many kings in the dynasty of the moon and dynasty of the sun. Many great kings became very powerful kings. And like for example, the dynasty of the sun who came, Ramachandra, in the dynasty of the moon.
अनेकों राजा भी आए।
Many great kings also
लेकिन उसमें
came,
विशेष करके
but especially
भगवान कृष्णचंद्र भी
Bhagavan Krishna Chandra came in the dynasty of the
कृष्ण
moon.
की कथा हमें श्रवण
So
कराई।
please tell me Krishna Katha.
जिस कारण से
For which
स्वयं
reason
भगवान कृष्ण
Swayam Bhagavan
देवकी
Krishna
और वसुदेव के पुत्र के रूप में आए,
appear as the
वो
son
कथा
of
मुझे
Devaki Vasudeva? Please let me know
इस
this.
कथा को सुन करके
Hearing this,
श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी
Sukadeva Goswami Pan
गदगद हो गए,
became so choked.
आनंद से हो गए। अरे सुनिए,
He was so happy and he said,
संक्षेप में बता
listen, I'll tell briefly today. Tomorrow I'll speak in details this katha.
देखो भगवान कृष्ण कैसे प्रकट हुए।
How Bhagavan Krishna appeared.
उनकी कुल की कथा इसमें वर्णन है। देववीर नाम से एक राजा
There was
थे।
so
क्या नाम
about his
बताया?
dynasty, there was a king called Devamir.
उनके दो पत्नियां
He had
थी,
two
एक
wives.
क्षत्रियवंशी
One from the
पत्नी
Kshatriya dynasty, another
और एक वैश्यवंशीय पत्नी थी।
Vaishya.
क्षत्रियवंशी के
So
पत्नी
the dynasty from the Kshatriya dynasty,
सुरसेन
her
से पुत्र है
descendant
वासुदेव,
was Sursen, and from Sursen
वसुदेव महाराज,
came Vasudev
और
Maharaj,
वसुदेव से हुए
and from Vasudev came
कृष्ण।
Vasudev Krishna.
और वैश्यवंशी की जो पत्नी
And from
थी,
the wife of the Vaishya
उससे हुए
dynasty,
पर्जन्य,
from her came
और
Parjanya,
पर्जन्य के 5
and
पुत्र हुए।
Parjanya had 5 sons:
उपानंद आदि से
Pananda,
नंद,
Nanda, Sunanda, Abhinandan,
नंदनंदन,
Nandana.
ऐसे करके उनकी जो
So,
तृतीय जो
The
पुत्र
third son, the middle
नंद
son,
महाराज,
was Nanda Maharaj.
नंद महाराज के पुत्र हुए
And the son of Nanda
कृष्ण।
Maharaj was Krishna.
इस प्रकार वंश के परिचय
So
हैं।
this is the Vamsha Parichaya.
अभी कथा
Parichaya
प्रसंग
means
में
introduction of the lineage of Krishna.
उस समय मथुरा के राजा थे
Like,
कंस था।
okay, so the king of Mathura was
वास्तव
Kamsa.
रूप में मथुरा के उस समय
Actually,
राजा थे
at
कौन?
the time the real king was Ugrasen.
सुरसेन वंशीय राजा
The Ugrasen, who was in the dynasty of Ugrasen.
उग्रसेन
Ugrasen was in the dynasty of Sursen.
महाप्रतापशाली
He was a
थे
very powerful king,
और उनके पुत्र हुए कंस,
and the son of Ugrasen was
दुष्ट
Kamsa,
कंस था वो।
the evil
किंतु
Kamsa.
वास्तव रूप में
Because
कंस
actually
उग्रसेन
Kamsa was not the
औरस जात संतान
biological
नहीं थे।
biological son of Ugrasen. No.
वो द्रुमिल दैत्य के पुत्र
Actually,
थे।
he was the son
द्रुमिल
of
दैत्य के
Dravil
औरस
demon.
से
Kamsa was born from the semen of Dravil demon,
उग्रसेन के पत्नी
Padma.
पद्मावती के गर्भ से
And then he was born from the womb of the wife of Ugrasena called Padma. That's why Kamsa was so evil. He was the son of a
अपने
demon.
पिता के राज्य भी छीन लिया।
So Kamsa stole the kingdom of his own father.
बंदी भी बनाया था।
And he even arrested his own son, his own father, Ugrasen. So Kamsa took his kingdom and put him in the jail.
देवकी के
Put
प्रति
Ugrasen in the
प्रेम
jail.
प्रति राखी।
But Kamsa had so much affection
देवकी
for
के
his
जगह घटा
sister,
करके विवाह भी
Devaki.
कराया।
And Kamsa did a very nice wedding for her,
देवकी के
his
विवाह
sister.
भी करा करके
And then after
यानी देवकी के साथ वसुदेव महाराज के
marrying her sister with Vasudev Maharaj, he was
साथ और स्वयं अपने रथ
himself,
में
he was taking the chariot for his sister.
बहन और बहन के जो पति है बहनोई
So taking his sister and his brother-in-law, and he was he was riding the chariot, and then he was riding Devaki Vasudev. And then on the way there was an area of voice, foolish guns,
तू जिस देवकी के घना घटा करके विवाह
you
कराया
are marrying so nicely your
और उनके अपने
sister,
सोने के रथ पर
and you are sitting, making her sit like taking her in a golden chariot.
जानते हो
But do you know
देवकी के अष्टम गर्भ
the
में
eighth
आठवां गर्भ
womb
में
of your sister Devaki,
स्वयं भगवान
Bhagavan
विष्णु
Vishnu will come
उनके पुत्र होकर के
as
तुम्हें मार डालेंगे
your son,
मार डालेंगे तुम्हें मार
he will kill you.
इतने आकाशवाणी होने के साथ ही साथ कंस ने क्या की
Then there was an area of voice.
रथ से
Tinha
कूद
parado,
गए
voltei.
और
Com
अपनी
bateria.
तलवार उठाया
Then
बाएं
Kamsa heard
हाथ
the
से
area of
देवकी
voice,
के चोटी को पकड़
and then
लिया
he caught
घिसकते हुए
he dragged her by the hair,
और तलवार से
and then he also lifted his
देवकी
sword,
के
and he was about to
ताकत
kill
से
his
प्रयास की।
own sister.
इतने समय
Then
वसुदेव महाराज
Vasudev Maharaj
कहने हाथ
told,
पकड़ लिया
caught
कहने
his
लगे,
hand and told,
हे कंस तुम अपने बहन के मार करके
कंसा।
तुम्हारी कौन सा क्षति होगा
this will not increase your glory if you kill your own sister. You will be disgraced or ridiculed. How to say, like, you'll be this will be very harmful for your reputation in the Assembly of the Heroes. People will say, you've killed your own sister, a helpless woman. Shasta explains, you should never raise your hand against a woman, against a boy, kids, old people and women. You should never even hit them, nothing.
और ये तुम्हारे बहन देवकी और तुमने देवकी के मार डाला तो लोग तुम्हें
And if you do this to your sister, people make
तुम
fun
महान
of you.
वीर इस
Ask your
प्रकार
wife.
वसुदेव महाराज
And then in this way, Vasudev Maharaj,
कहने कम से क्रोध की शांत हो गया
he pacified some of the anger of Vasudev Maharaj.
कम से सुनो मैं तुमको वचन देता हूँ
Vasudev told, oh, comes, I give you
देवकी
my word.
आठवां गर्भ आकर के तुम्हें
The
मार
eighth
डालेगा।
womb of
मैं तुमको
Devaki
वचन
will
देता
kill
हूँ।
you, right? The area was told. So I give you my word, the eighth womb,
बालक के तुम्हारे
I will
हाथ
give
में हाथ
this
में-
boy in your hands.
तुम मार देना
You can kill him.
ना रहे बाप ना
When
रहे
there
बाप।
is no bamboo, nobody will play the flute, because cannot
स्त्री
play the
हत्या
flute
बहन
without a
की
man.
हत्या करके तुम्हारे
But if you
समाज
kill your
में
own sister, this will be very bad for your reputation.
कम से विचार करने लगे
Kamsa thought,
वसुदेव सत्य बोलते
Vasudeva,
हैं।
he's speaking the truth,
इसलिए
and he's
कंस ने
always
क्या
honest.
की?
So
वैसे रथ घुमा करके
Kamsa
लाए।
turned back the chariot
अपने
and
राज
came back to his palace,
राज दरबार में लेकर गए और देवकी और
and
वसुदेव
he
के
put
जो है
Devaki and Vasudev
नजरबंदी करके रख दिया
arrested inside the palace.
हैं? इतने समय नारद ऋषि पहुंचे
Then Narada Rishi came.
नारद ऋषि जब आए
Narada Rishi came.
नारद ऋषि कहने लगे कंस
नारद ऋषि
तुम
तो-
कैसे हो
Kamsa, how are you?
कंस से कहने लगे गुरुदेव
Kamsa
सब
told,
कुछ हो रहा है
Gurudeva, everything's
कितने
fine.
आकाशवाणी हुई।
But you know, there's an area of voice.
क्या
And,
आकाशवाणी हुई
okay, what was the area of voice
कि
about?
देवकी के जो
Narada
आठवां
said,
गर्भ,
Kamsa
अष्टम
told
गर्भ,
that the eighth womb of Devaki would be Vishnu that would come and kill me.
मैं क्या करूं
What will I do? Kamsa asked Narad.
बोले अच्छा
Ah, okay. Narada told.
पर तुम बताओ क्या करना तुम
Okay,
चाहते हो
what do you want to do?
देवकी के एक एक बच्चे को मैं मार डालता हूँ एक काम करता हूँ देवकी के आठवां गर्भ में मार डालूंगा
So Kamsa told, I'll kill the eighth womb of Devaki. Narada told Kamsa, okay, tell me,
कौन सा आठवां कौन सा
which one is the eighth son of the Devaki?
आठ लड्डू लेकर गए
Take
कितने
8 laddus,
आठ लड्डू
8 laddus, 8 sweets, balls, put in a circle shape,
सर्कल करके रखो
in a circle shape,
गिनो
you
तो
place
कौन सा
them,
है?
and you count. Okay, Kamsa was counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, but you can start counting from the second or from the third. Which one is the eighth? You can count from any
संडे पहले है कि मंडे पहले
one, and any one of them. Which in the calendar, which day is first? Sunday or Monday? Some calendars start in Monday. Some calendars start in the Monday, or maybe from Saturdays. Some calendar can start.
तो आठवां कौन सा है
So which one is the eighth son? You tell me. Comes Narada asked Kamsa.
वो बहुत चालाक है
You know, Vishnu is very clever. Narada
नारद
told.
ऋषि कहने लगे
Narada Rishi
कंस,
told Kamsa.
ये विष्णु
कंस।
कम नहीं है
Vishnu is very clever.
दूसरी बात तीसरी और वो कहेंगे ये मेरा आठवां है
Maybe the second or third womb, he might say he's the eighth.
कम से कहने लगे गुरुदेव
So
ये तो आप क्या
that
नाम
Vishnu
दे
can
रहे
say
हैं?
it's
मेरे
eight.
तो आपको
He
तो
comes
बोल
at
दिया।
the oh Gurudev again, Timiranda
क्या
Sai,
करूं?
you've opened my
अरे
eyes.
एक काम करना
What can I do? Okay.
नारायण
Narada
नाम
told,
नाम
do one
नाम
thing.
नाम
When there is no
देवकी
bamboo,
के
nobody can
सारे
play the
बेटा
flute.
के सारे
So you do
पुत्र
one
मार
thing?
डालो।
Just kill all the sons of
हाँ,
Devaki,
गुरुदेव,
easy.
ये बात सही है।
Kamsa said, oh Gurudev, you're right. This
उस
is true.
समय कंस ने क्या की
Then Kamsa, what did he
देवकी
do?
और वसुदेव के जो है कारागार में बंदी बनाया
Arrested Devaki and Vasudev in the
एक
dungeon.
एक करके 6 पुत्र के
And one by one, Kamsa killed all the 6 sons of
देवकी ने जन्म दिया
Devaki that
और
Devaki
एक-एक
gave birth
करके
to.
कंस ने मार डाला जिसके सड़गर्भ कहा जाता है
So this is the Sargarba, the
जिसके इतिहास
6
भी बहुत सुंदर
wombs.
है
The story is also very beautiful behind.
मरीचि ऋषि के
They were actually the
द्वारा अभिशप्त जो है
they were cursed by
ये
Marichi.
संत ब्रह्मा जी के द्वारा अभिशप्त
They were cursed
ये
by
संत सड़गर्भ
Brahma, and they were the sons of Marichi before, and they came as the 6 wombs.
देवकी के
Anyway,
7वां गर्भ हुई
so when she was
उस समय
pregnant of the
जोग
7th
मैंने
womb,
ये लीला
womb,
संपादन की।
Jogamaya performed one
7वां
pastime.
गर्भ में
The 7th womb of
Eh?
Devaki
स्वयं बलदेव प्रभु
was
भगवान
actually
आ गए।
Baladeva Prabhu Bhagavan who came,
और जोग मैंने क्या
and
की
then Jogamaya did one thing.
देवकी गर्भ के आकर्षण करके
Attract him from
रोहिणी
the
के गर्भ
womb
में
of
स्थापित कर दिया
Devaki and established him in the womb of Rohini. That's why his name is Sankarshan.
हम आगे जाकर के
Later on,
कृष्ण और बलराम के नामकरण के
we'll
समय
describe about how
गर्गाचार्य भी कहेंगे बलदेव के 3 नाम बताया
Krishna and Balaram, they got the name ceremony from Gargacharya. Gargacharya gave this name Sankarshan to
किंतु लोग
Balaram.
प्रचार हो गया देवकी के
Okay, but
गर्भपात हो
people,
गया।
the rumor between the people was that Devaki lost the baby, had a miscarriage. Actually, the baby was transferred to the womb of
विष्णु
Rohini.
देवकी
Okay, so
गर्भ
the
में।
8th womb was Vishnu, appeared in
उस
the
समय
womb
कंस
of
देखा
Devaki. Kamsa
देवकी के
saw that Devaki,
शरीर से ऐसे दिख
her
कुछ
body
जब
was
जब जाते थे कंस
so much effulgent.
कारागार में देवकी के गर्भ देखते ही
Seeing the womb
वो
of
डर जाता था
Kamsa,
भयभीत हो जाता था।
seeing the womb of Devaki,
क्या सोने में
Kamsa would
खाने
be
में
so
पीने में
afraid
सपने में
and all the time
सब समय ही आता
sleeping,
था।
drinking, like
विष्णु
whatever
मुझे
Kamsa was
मारने लगा, विष्णु,
doing, he was
विष्णु,
always
विष्णु।
thinking, Vishnu will kill me,
ऐसे
Vishnu
बात
will kill
कृष्ण
me.
की नाम
Like Kamsa was so afraid all the time. Whatever he was doing, he was thinking about Vishnu, that Vishnu was coming to kill him. Because also he would see Devaki and Devaki was so effulgent and all this.
जब 8 महीने होने लगे
After
अर्थात
8
देवकी
months,
के 8 महीने
so Devaki
भगवान
was pregnant of 8
से
months.
जन्म लेने वाला था।
So baby was about to come out.
यहाँ पर हमारे आचार्य थोड़ा
And
विचार देते
then,
हैं।
but Acharyas explain one thing.
देखो वसुदेव महाराज
Vasudev
और नंद
Maharaj
महाराज
and
में
Nanda
दोनों में
Maharaj,
मित्रता था।
they were friends with each other. Nanda Maharaj and Vasudev
और
Maharaj.
देवकी और
And Devaki and
में भी
Jashoda also,
दोनों भी
they were also friends.
सखी भाव रखते
They also were friends with each
हैं।
other.
इसलिए हरिवंश पुराण
So Harivamsha Purana explains in one verse. Also Brahma Vivarta Purana, also other Puranas also describe.
देव नामनी नंद भार्या देवकी दसुदाच नंद महाराज के
The
पत्नी
wife of Nanda Maharaj had two
जसोदा के
names.
दो नाम कहा जाता है।
Jashoda has
एक
two
देवकी
names.
और
Devaki and
जसोदा।
Jashoda. She has two names. Devaki and
जिस
Jashoda.
समय देवकी बच्चे को जन्म दिया
So when Devaki gave
उस
birth to
समय
the
नंद
baby,
महाराज के पत्नी
the wife of Nanda
जसोदा भी
Maharaj, Jashoda,
उस
also
समय बालक भी जन्म दिया।
gave birth to baby.
मैंने
Also.
इसलिए पहले कहा दिया
That's why I told.
ये वसुदेव यहाँ पर कृष्ण मथुरा में जन्म दिखा रहे
So
और
in,
उधर नंद गोकुल में वसुदेव जसोदा के गर्भ से भी
so
कृष्ण की जन्म
Krishna was born
ये हमारे आचार्य पाद की वर्णन
from
है।
Jashoda in Gokul, and also in Mathura looks like he's born, but
जिसे कहा जाता
so
है
in these two
नंदी
places,
नंद भार्या
in Mathura and also
देवकी
in
जसोदाच
Gokul.
नंद महाराज के
So
पत्नी
the wife of
जसोदा
Nanda
के दो
Maharaj,
नाम
Jashoda,
थे,
had two
देवकी
names, Devaki
और
and
जसोदा।
Jashoda.
अभी यहाँ पर जो है कथा प्रसंग यहाँ पर वर्णन होने लगे जब भगवान प्रकट होने लगे
When Bhagavan was about to appear,
अष्टम गर्भ में स्वयं
the
भगवान
8th womb of
आए
Devaki, he was
देवता
coming.
लोग भी स्तुति आदि करने
Then the
लगे
gods
भगवान
started
देवकी
to
के
perform many
गर्भवती की
prayers
वर्णन है
to the womb of
समय संक्षेप होने के नाते
Devaki. Time is very brief,
कथा को मैं छोड़ते हुए
so I
जा
have
रहा हूँ
to summarize
देवकी
everything.
गर्भस्तुति
So the Devaki Garbhastuti, the demigods prayed to the womb of Devaki.
आठवां गर्भ
8th
और
womb.
देखते देखते आधी रात हो
And
गई
like it was
मध्यरात्रि
midnight,
कंस के कारागार देखते देखते जब
suddenly
अंधकार हो गया
it was so dark, midnight.
सारी तरफ आकाश में बादल
And there
छा
were so many
गए
clouds in the sky, and it started to rain so much, so many thunder,
उस समय
storm
जितने
and
भी
lightnings.
द्वारपाल थे
All the security guards, they all fell asleep.
और उस समय अंधकारागार में
Then in this dark
स्वयं भगवान
prison and dungeon,
कृष्ण
Swayam Bhagavan Krishna
देवकी नंदन प्रकट हुए कंस कारागार में
appeared, Devakinandan
शंकर
appeared
चक्र गदाओं लेकर के प्रकट
in
हुए
the Kamsa jail
और होते
with
के
4
बोले,
arms.
देवकी वसुदेव
Chaka Gada Padma, he told, hey Devaki Vasudev, see my form.
मैं तुमको 3 जन्म के लिए मैंने
For 3 births I gave you benediction.
सप्तयुग में तुम लोग
In Satya Yuga,
कृष्ण और सुतपा के रूप में
you have worshipped
जन्म
me
लिया था
as
और मेरे प्रभु
Krishna
तपस्या
Sutapa,
मेरे वहां से एक पुत्र मांगा
and you asked for a son just like me. You were Krishna Sutapa in Satya Yuga, and you asked for a
मैं
son
तुम्हें
like me.
जन्म दिया वचन दिया था
And I gave you my word to
3
you
जन्म तुम्हारे
that
पुत्रों
in
के
3
पैदा
births
होंगे।
I would be your son.
इसलिए सप्तयुग में तुम्हारे कृष्ण गर्भ के रूप में प्रकट
So in
हुए
Satya Yuga I appeared as Krishna Garbha. In the next birth as Aditi Nandan,
वामन देव के रूप में
Vamanadev.
और एक तीसरी है
And the third,
मैं वसुदेव नंदन वासुदेव लोग मुझे वासुदेव
I am Vasudev. Vasudev, people call me Vasudev
वसुदेव के पुत्र होने के नाते
because I'm a son of Vasudev. So they call me Vasudev. And because I'm a son of Devaki, people also call me Devaki
मेरे
Nandan.
स्वरूप के दर्शन करो
See my beautiful form. Shankara Chaka Gada Padma.
उस समय देवकी वसुदेव हाथ जोड़ करके प्रणाम
Devaki Vasudeva did pranam to him.
किया। उनको सप्तशती आदि करने लगे।
Started to pray to him also.
तब भगवान स्वयं कहने लगे, हे
Bhagavan told, "Hey
मुझे
Vasudeva,
जल्दी जल्दी
very
जमुना पार
quickly
करके
cross me
गोकुल
from the
में
Jamuna, bring me to
नंद
Gokul,
महाराज के पत्नी यशोदा के निकट रख करके आओ।
bring me next to the
उस समय देवकी ने किया कि कृष्ण के जो है
wife of Nanda Maharaj Yashoda. So one time Devaki breastfed Krishna. Then Krishna became small like a baby.
इतने सुंदर। और उस समय वसुदेव महाराज
Then
बाल गोपाल
Vasudev Maharaj
लेकर
took
के
Bal
पहुंचे।
Gopal
देखते देखते उनके सारे
and
बेड़ियां
suddenly all the chains, the shackles were released, were open. Because if somebody is carrying Bhagavan, of course he has no
छोटा बाल
bondage,
लेकर
nothing.
के जब आए,
So Vasudeva was able to come out of the jail, brought Krishna, and it was raining so much.
बिजली कड़क रही थी।
Lightnings,
विचार
cracking
करने
in
लगे
the
बालों के लेकर के
thunderstorms, storm, how to cross the Jamuna.
विचार करने लगे क्या
So he
करूं?
thought, what to do?
उस समय स्वयं बलदेव प्रभु भगवान बलदेव
Then Baladev Prabhu
शेष नाग के रूप में छत्र के रूप में
came as an umbrella
छत्र के
protecting Krishna from the rain.
और स्वयं जोगमाया
And Jogamaya manifested as like a jackal,
जमुना पार होने लगे। और
jackal,
जमुना पार करके
and crossing the Jamuna so that Vasudeva was able to see where was able to also cross.
यशोदा की
Vasudeva crossed and put the baby on the lap of Jashoda and took the baby Jogamaya and came back.
और जब लेकर के आए तब उस समय बालिका रोना शुरू
So
कर दिया।
when he came back, the baby girl started to cry, and all the security guards, they told Kamsa, Maharaj, Kamsa, the 8th womb of Devaki was born.
उस समय कंस दौड़ करके आए
So Kamsa came
और
running
दौड़
back,
करके जब आए और देवकी के हाथ से
and then
वो छोटे बालिका को छीनने के लिए प्रयास किया।
So
उस समय देवकी कहने लगे,
Kamsa tried to take this girl from the womb, from the
ये
hand
तो
of
बालिका नहीं है, बालक है।
Devaki told brother, it's a girl, it's not a boy.
ये बालिका है,
It's a girl.
बालक नहीं है, विष्णु नहीं है। उस समय कंस कहने लगे,
Then Kamsa told,
अरे ये विष्णु धूर्त है, कभी बालक कभी बालिका रूप में हो जाता है। मैं इसके पकड़ करके मार
but Vishnu can come in the form of a boy or a woman, I will kill him. Then the evil
देवकी
Kamsa
के हाथ से गोद से वो जोग में बालिका को पकड़ कर लिया और उसके मारने के लिए प्रयास की।
Okay, Kamsa tried to. Ish, sorry. Anyway, then Jogamaya did she do?
कंस के माथे पर
Kicked the head of Kamsa so strongly, and then Kamsa fell, and then Jogamaya came up in the sky with her 8 arms and told, "Foolish Kamsa,
तुम मुझे क्या मारोगे?
you think you can kill me? You can never
मुझे
kill me.
मारने वाले
Your killer,
विष्णु
Vishnu,
ब्रज में नहीं कहीं
has already
अन्यत्र
taken birth
नाम ले
elsewhere in Braj."
इसी प्रकार
So in this way,
कंस भयभीत हो गया।
Kamsa was so afraid.
उसी दिन से ही कंस
From that day on,
विचार करने लगे
Kamsa was thinking,
कि मेरे हंतारा विष्णु
my killer Vishnu
कहीं जन्म लिया।
has already taken birth
इससे आगे की
somewhere.
कथा वर्णन
So
करेंगे।
later I'll tell
कि
tomorrow.
अब इधर नंद महाराज
And
के
Nanda
पत्नी
Maharaj, the wife of
यशोदा
Nanda Maharaj Jashoda,
दो संतान को
she
जन्म
had
दिया।
Krishna and Jogamaya.
आए थे मथुरा में। हैं?
So
और
Vasudeva Maharaj had
वही
come from Mathura.
बालक वहीं पर।
So the baby was there.
और उस समय नंद
And
महाराज
then Nanda Maharaj,
अपने पुत्र की जन्म तिथि पर
he was made a big celebration in the day of the birth of his boy.
ब्राह्मणों के बुला
He called all the Brahmanas.
दान दक्षिणा देने लगे।
He was giving donation to them.
भागवत में वर्णन है।
Bhagavatam explains.
नंदस्तु आत्मज उत्पन्ने जातो रागो महामुनि। नंद महाराज अपने पुत्र
Nanda
के
Maharaj,
जन्मोत्सव पर
in the fest of the birthday of his son, Nanda Maharaj started to give so much donation to the Brahmanas and
नित्य गीत आदि करने लगे।
Vrajavasis, and all Vrajavasis were singing.
नंद के आनंद भयो
Today is the fullest day of all the Bhagavad Saptaha. So full. So many people came. I think maybe 300 people or more. 300, 400. So many people. Maybe 400 people, I think. No? How many? Yeah, I think 300 people. Clap, clap. Please check in the Hindi. Check the Hindi live now. Check the Hindi live. Hindi live. Hindi live. Go to Hindi to see.
Kanya